Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I will show how to write a Python program to find smallest of given two numbers by using an if-else statement. In this particular program, I am also using an relational operator less than. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members. Share the video links in various social networks which you are going to use. Happy learning, gain the knowledge and rule the world. In this particular video, I am going to write an Python program to find the smallest of given two numbers. First, I will open the Python interpreter. So this is an Python interpreter where an output will be displayed. I will create a new file by pressing Ctrl N. So this where we are going to write an program that is called, the method is called as an script mode. So here I will start with an comment by writing hash. First I will write as Python program to find smallest of given two numbers. Smallest of given two numbers. Then I will write another one comment as by using if else statement. By using if else statement. So now first we need to read two values. I will take the variable as p and q. So I will write p space q equal to space int, open the bracket, then write input, open the bracket, single quote, enter the value of n space, so value of p space single quote close, bracket close, and then bracket close. Press enter. Next another variable I will take as q space equal to space int, open the bracket, input, open the bracket, instead of single quotes I am taking double quotes, enter the value of q space single quotes, close the bracket and close the bracket. To know more information regarding input statement, you can go through the previous videos in my YouTube channel with respect to statement and input function. So after reading the two values, then we need to write an if-else statement. An if-else statement in a Python programming language is written by writing if space, then the condition. So the condition is p less than q. You can write in this way, then after that colon, or even we can give the space after the variable name and after the operator. Like this also we can write if space p space less than space q colon, press enter. So now you can observe the indent space there. Take back to the first position in the new line, then press tab, that is an tab space. Then here write print, open bracket, within a double quotes, what we can write, p is the smallest, so therefore we can write smallest number is double quotes close, comma, which is the smallest number now, p. Write p and then close the bracket, press enter. Then again press backspace, take the cursor of the new line to the first position, then write else, then write colon, press enter. So now the indentation is correct. Now type print open bracket within a double quotes or single quotes. I have used double quotes in the previous one. Now I am using single quotes. Smallest number is, so close the single quotes, comma. So if the condition becomes false, that means what? Q is the smallest. Therefore you can write Q, close the bracket. To more information regarding print as well as input, you can see the previous videos of mine in my YouTube channel with respect to statement and input function. Another one is statement and print function. Now need to save the program. To save the program, just use the shortcut key Ctrl S. It will open a dialog box. Here give the name of the program. I'll give the name of the program as smallest PQ. It means the smallest PQ, the smallest of two numbers. Okay, then click on save or just press enter key. The program is saved. Now to run the program, press F5 from the keyboard. There is a function key. So here you got an error. What is that error? Unterminated string literal detected at line 5. So here you can observe this is a syntax error. What is that? Here I have written a double quotes, whereas here I have written a single quotes. Either you need to write a pair of single quotes or a double quotes. I will make that one as double quotes. Now press again Ctrl S. The program is saved. Then now press function key F5 to run the program. Now you can see here in the interpreter mode it is asking enter the value of P. I'll give the value of P as 10. Press enter. Enter the value of Q. I'll give as 5. So now P less than Q, that is 10 less than 5, condition becomes false. It will come to the else part, right? Then it will display the smallest number is Q. That means it will display smallest number is 5, right? So where? So you can observe here, if P is less than Q, so 10 is less than 5, condition becomes false. It will come to the else part and it is displaying this one. Smallest number is Q. That means it is displaying smallest number is 5. Again I will write the I will execute the program. So I'll just press F5. There is a function key. Enter the value of P. I'll give as 100. Enter the value of Q. Now I will give as 400. That means what now? P is less than Q, condition becomes true. Press enter. It is displaying smallest number is 100. That means what? Here, if P is less than Q, 100 is less than 400, condition becomes true. Therefore it is executing this statement. It is what? Smallest number is P. Therefore it is displaying smallest number is 100. In this way we can write an program to find the smallest of given two numbers by using if-else statement. Even this program is also an example of relational operator. An example of an relational operator. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends and family members, share the video link of this one in various social networks which you are going to use. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning.